supposed to take a hike today, but instead we've gone to my oldest child's house and we are getting a stick off their property, and that is my son-in-law. And because it's raining and I did not want to take a hike in this, especially when you're talking to somebody that wears her sandals all winter long. I'll introduce you to the dog though, because dogs are always good. All right, this is Mr. Green. He's eating an old wet chew stick. And I've come looking for a stick, and we think we're gonna get the stick from that fir tree right there. But in addition to that, my husband is hiking way back up there looking for potential stickage as well. All right, I will show you the beautiful barn because it's a gorgeous barn, and I made that star on the barn last year from Arne and Carlos's tutorial. We wanted to buy that house over there, but we didn't. It was too expensive. Did you see anything potential? Here, let's do some more doggy shots. Mr. Green! Mr. Green! Oh, is that tasty? Be careful and don't get it stuck in your mouth. Don't get it stuck in your mouth. So fun. This is, what's this cat's name again?
Fredo.
Fredo. This is Fredo from The Godfather. She's a black kitty, but she spends all her time outside. And apparently they like each other a lot now, because she went up to see what he was doing. Yeah, Alfredo. Hey, kitty kitty. You want to come here? Yeah. We'll go see what he has then. All right, back in the safety of the car and out of the rain. We may stop over at Helvetia. They're having a special Christmassy thing today at the Helvetia Market, which is like a farm-to-you grocery store, and we haven't been there in a while, so we'll look.
The first Noel, the angels did say, was to certain poor shepherds in fields as they lay, in fields where they lay, keeping their sheep on a cold winter's night that was so deep. Noel, 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 born is the King of Israel. They looked up and saw a star shining in the east, beyond them far, and to the earth it gave great light, and so continued both day and night. Noel, 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 born is Christmas tree, such pleasure do you bring me. Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree, such pleasure do you bring me. For every year this Christmas tree brings to us such joy and glee. Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree, such pleasure do you bring me. Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree, you'll ever be unchanging, a symbol of goodwill and love. You'll ever be unchanging, each shining light, each silver bell, no one alive spreads cheer so well. Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree, you'll ever be unchanging. Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree, you'll ever be unchanging.
One stick. So this is going to be my temporary hanger. I think I will also anchor the fabric as well, but I'll use that as a header. Okay, so I've shortened it and flipped it over from where you saw it last time. Now I'm going to go in and I'm going to cut off the branches along one side. I'm just trying to look at the ones. I think I'm going to cut the branches along this bottom side. And then I've already hung, oh, look at my messy table. We were working here today. I've hung command strips in preparation for this, and then I'll hang the tree. So wish me luck. So I pulled the backs off. Let me give you some light. There, now we have a little more light. Not enough, but some. And then I'm gonna just pull these. I don't know if you've ever, they're pretty self-explanatory. We will see. I have had trouble in the past with command strips not sticking well because of wall texture. So we're gonna give this a whirl and see how well they stay on. That feels secure. Second command strip. That way I can remove these. If I have to put in a nail, I will. But I would prefer not to. All right, I'm just gonna, oh no. Oh no, I put it upside down. That was a bad idea. All right, I'm gonna reinstall this and then I'll get back to you. Well, problem solved. I just reversed its position. Now I'm just gonna press hard because you know if any one of these two fail, it's gonna be that one. And then what I'm going to do is hang this branch. Let's see if it will work. Oh, might not work. Might not work. I may have to I'll probably put wires on the back of it, or yeah, I have wire, or a ribbon or something. So I'm gonna anchor the stick to this and then anchor the tree panel to the stick in place. Benefits of keeping stuff laying around for a long time. I did two of my daughters' weddings and some of their friends. So these are all ribbons and leftover wire and pins, all from the weddings. So I made use of this paddle wire, or this floor wire, and I just cut two 6-inch pieces. Let me get this in the frame for you. 2 6-inch pieces, and I will be wiring it onto the hooks, and then we'll see what we come up with for the fabric. All right, so anchored with wire onto command strips. A little bit of ribbon that I had laying around from previous weddings in green and sparkly silver. And then last year I found these at the local craft store. They're just inexpensive styrofoam birds, but oh boy, aren't they pretty. And so I've put the 3 of those in, 2 of them to cover up the command strip, and the other one just because there was a nice branch. And then we have our tree. There it is, on the wall in the dining room. Now we're back in the living room, and I was going to catch you up on the progress on the Santa Claus dress. So, mock-up 1. I finished it. I tried it on. Oh boy, it was a tight fit, which is really how these mock-ups are supposed to fit. But I put in ease, so I was expecting a little less tight. I found out that my V-neck was too high. I want a lower one. I found out that my waist darts were too tall because my boobs were on, they went above my nipples instead of below as they're supposed to, because they're supposed to be about 1.5 inches below. So I dropped that down 2 inches at least. Skin tight, too short, but I knew that because it's a mock-up. The back, however, was beautiful, beautiful. I also have to add a dart into the arm opening, which is right here. I drew that in so you can, so I know where to put it. And that was because, well, he told me to do the dart and I was lazy and didn't do it. So lesson learned there. So the darts are marked. Seam allowances are marked, and I added in seam allowance. And then I added 1/2 inch to each pattern piece, which means I will get 2 more inches from my waist through my hips. Now, I did not add under my arm. I came out even under my arm, so we shall see if that's a mistake or not. I'm hoping that it is not with the bust dart changes, but I might be wrong. So tomorrow I'll update you on the further progress I make on my Santa Claus dress project, as well as we are going to make an ornament. So finally, the long-awaited 1 of 12 ornaments to go on the Advent Christmas tree. So I'll look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Have a good day. Bye. Hey, I hope you like this little video. Subscribe, ring the bell, comment, hit the like button, whatever it takes, because you know it really helps us with the channel. Bye!